Hi, do you want to feel good in your body? Like really good? I mean, moving easily, having less pain, and feeling stronger every day? Today, I'll show you one easy thing you can do. It's like an exercise, but it's more like a natural way to sit or stand. Your body already knows how to do it, but lots of us don't do it much anymore. That's why we sometimes feel stiff or sore. This thing is called a resting squat. It's super easy. You don't need any special stuff to do it, and you'll start feeling better faster than you think. Stay with me and I'll show you how it can make you move and feel great every single day. First, let's talk about moving better. Picture this. You drop something like your keys. Do you make a little noise when you bend down to take them? Or maybe trying your shoes feels tough? The resting squat can help with that. It makes your body better at moving and bending. When you do these squats, you stretch lots of parts of your body all at once, like your hips, your lower back, and your legs. They all get a nice, soft stretch. If you do this a little bit every day or even just a few times a week, those tight spots in your body start to feel looser. You will move more easily. Your body will be able to bend and reach farther. And here's the best part. It can make other exercises feel easier. Yes, easier. When your body moves better, everything feels smoother. Think about things you do every day, like getting out of your car, playing on the floor with kids or pets, or picking something up. With the resting squat, these things feel more natural. You won't feel so stiff. You'll move like it's no big deal. And it doesn't stop there. It makes you stronger too. I'll tell you more about that soon. Now, let's talk about your joints. I mean your knees, hips and ankles. Our bodies don't like sitting in chairs or on sofa for a long time, but we do it a lot, right? We watch TV, we work at desks, we sit and sit. When we stay like that too long, our joints get tight. They can hurt. They don't bend as well, especially when we get older. But the resting squat helps. When you do it, you move your joints in a gentle way. This keeps them strong and able to bend. It's a soft, kind move for your body. It uses your hips, knees, and ankles the way they are meant to be used. Moving like this helps your body make something like oil for your joints. That oil keeps them sliding smoothly so they don't hurt. It's like giving your joints a little boost to feel better. You might notice your knees don't crack as much, or that bad feeling from sitting all day starts to go away. You'll move easier and faster. Stick around because I'll show you how to do the resting squat the right way in just a bit. Okay, let's talk about getting stronger. I hinted at this earlier. The resting squat is a great way to make your middle and lower body stronger. Your middle, what we call your core, is your stomach muscles, the muscles on your sides and your lower back muscles. When you do the squats, these muscles work. That gives you a strong center so you feel steady when you move. At the same time, your legs get stronger too. Your thigh muscles, front and back, your bottom muscles and your calf muscles all get a good workout. If you keep doing this, you'll feel more power in your legs. Things like climbing stairs, running, walking, or playing sports will feel easier. You'll keep going longer without getting tired. A strong core helps you stand and sit up straight. Strong legs help you move fast and easy. So, this one simple squat makes lots of your body parts stronger together. It's not just for sports, it helps you do everyday things better too. Hey, if you're liking this so far, hit that like button below. It helps more people find this video. Thanks a bunch. Do you ever feel pain in your lower back? If you do, listen up. This squat can help. But first, let's talk about something many of us deal with, not standing or sitting straight. A lot of people lean forward or slump over. It happens from sitting at desk all day or looking down at our phones too much. The resting squat fixes this. It helps your body stand in a good, natural way. When you do it, you use your back muscles, your middle muscles and your leg muscles to stay balanced. Doing this makes those muscles work and get stronger. That keeps you steady. This helps your body hold a better shape. When you stand straight, your back doesn't have to work so hard. That can stop pain in your back and neck. Plus, it helps you breathe better and even digest your food better. Over time, doing these squats makes your body shape nicer. You'll feel more confident and less achy from sitting the wrong way. Lower back pain often comes from standing or sitting badly. It can also happen if some muscles are weak or if you don't move enough. The squat helps by making your core muscles stronger and lining up your body the right way. When you do it, your weight spreads nicely through your back and legs. Your core keeps working, which takes pressure off your back. Using these muscles makes your body more even. That can stop pain. It makes your back stronger and steadier. Your lower back may be curled up on the couch right now. We'll thank you for trying this. The resting squat does even more. It helps you do physical stuff better and feel good all over. When you practice it, you learn how your body works. You figure out the best way to stand and squat for you. As you lower down, feel your weight settle. Feel your muscles turn on and then relax naturally. Why does this matter? Because when you move your body in helpful ways like this, you make it healthier and stronger. It gets better at handling daily tasks without trouble. This squat is also great for people with knee problems. It doesn't need you to lift heavy things or move in hard ways. Here's another big win. The resting squat helps stop injuries. It makes your body better at holding itself up when you move. If your muscles are weak or uneven, they can't support your joints well. That can make you move in bad ways and get hurt. But when you strengthen your legs and core with this squat, your joints get better support. This strength and steadiness stop injuries from doing too much or moving suddenly. For example, a strong core and legs can keep away back pain or knee problems. These muscles catch shocks and keep you balanced when you are active. So, you are less likely to pull something or twist the wrong way. Now, here's something that might surprise you. When you do the resting squat, it helps your body digest food better. It lines up your inside in a good way and helps waste move out. Good digestion and blood flow matter a lot for feeling good. If your blood doesn't move well, you might feel tired all the time. Your legs or hands might swell up. It can even cause heart trouble. And if your body doesn't handle food well, you might feel full or uncomfortable. You won't get all the good stuff from what you eat. The squat helps your blood move better through your legs and middle. When you do it, your muscles tighten and then relax. That pushes blood back to your heart. It keeps your blood vessels healthy. Good blood flow stops problems like swollen veins and helps you recover faster after moving around. Now for the fun part. Let's learn how to do it. I'll show you step by step. Get ready. Stand with your feet as wide as your shoulders. Point your toes out a tiny bit. This helps you balance. Bend your knees and hips together to go down. Don't bounce up and down. Just stay low. Hold it where it feels okay for you. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Try not to lift your heels. Keep your back straight. Don't bend it too much or it could hurt. Stay down as long as you feel good. Don't move up and down. That's why we call it a resting squat. You rest there. Make sure your knees point the same way as your toes. Don't let them turn in or out too much. Stay balanced. Feel your weight even on both feet. You might not go very low at first, but that's okay. Start where you feel good. Over time, as you get better, you can go a little lower. The squat should feel natural. Everyone's looks a bit different depending on their body. If your legs are long, you might lean forward a little. If your upper body is longer, you might stay more upright. That's fine. Just find what works for you and do it often. Tips for beginners. If you are new to this or it feels hard, maybe you are over 50 or haven't squatted in a while, here are some easy tips. Hold on to a door or a strong table to help balance. Just touch it lightly. Add a weight. Hold something small in front, like a book or water bottle. It helps you stay steady. If your ankles feel tight, put a small book under your heels. It makes it easier while your ankles loosen up. When you get good at it, you can make it harder. Try lifting your arms over your head while you squat. This works your shoulders and back more. You'll need to balance harder, but Only do this when you feel steady in the basic squat. That's the resting squat. It's simple but super helpful for your body. Start slow. Be nice to yourself. Even a little each day makes a big difference over time. Think of all the good stuff: moving easier, happier joints, more strength, standing better, and a back that feels great. Try it today. Find a quiet spot, take a few deep breaths, and see how it feels. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you feel awesome. Got questions? Ask me in the comments below. Want more easy tips for a better life? Subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Keep moving and feel good.